Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Messenger. So let's have a look now. If Facebook Messenger is not working for you, you should restart the app or toggle the Wi-Fi and try the service on another device. Here are some ways to troubleshoot a problem with the Messenger platform. At first, check out your internet connection. The Messenger app can run into trouble if it's trying to communicate over a poor quality internet connection. See if Messenger is down. Messenger relies on an online service to communicate. If that network is down, Messenger won't work. To see if the problem resides with Facebook rather than your app, check the Facebook Messenger status page on Down Detector. You can also search, is Facebook Messenger down in your web browser? Restart your phone. If you suspect the problem is related to your phone, restart it and see if that solves the problem. Or you can reinstall Messenger. If you have tried all the steps and Messenger is still not working, you might want to uninstall and then reinstall the app. So there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.